Lexus, synonymous with luxury, has long been associated with hefty price tags, but the 2025 Lexus UX 300h is here to challenge that notion. Priced at under $40,000, this sleek hybrid crossover brings a taste of opulence within reach of more buyers without compromising on quality. At its core, the UX 300h embodies Lexus's commitment to excellence, boasting premium materials and top-tier features that belie its accessible price point. Despite its affordability, the UX doesn't skimp on luxury, offering a plush cabin adorned with high-end finishes and cutting-edge technology. One of the standout features of the UX 300h is its hybrid powertrain, a hallmark of environmental consciousness and fuel efficiency. Powered by a 2.0-liter inline-four engine paired with 2 electric motors, the UX delivers a combined output of 196 horsepower. While it may not be a speed demon, its smooth and responsive performance ensures a comfortable driving experience. For those who crave versatility, the UX lineup offers optional all-wheel drive, providing added traction and stability in various driving conditions. Additionally, enhancements like the F-Sport trim package and a handling package cater to enthusiasts seeking a more spirited driving experience. In terms of updates for the 2025 model year, Lexus has replaced the UX 250h with the more potent UX 300h, boasting an increased power output of 196 horsepower. The inclusion of a new color option, Copper Crest, adds a touch of vibrancy to the lineup, while updates to driver assistance features enhance safety and convenience. Despite its modest power figures, the UX 300h impresses with its fuel efficiency, achieving up to 45 miles per gallon in the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway for front-wheel drive models. Even with the optional all-wheel drive configuration, the UX maintains commendable efficiency, making it an economical choice for eco-conscious drivers. The 2025 Lexus UX 300h redefines the notion of affordable luxury, offering a compelling blend of sophistication, efficiency, and performance. With its stylish design, advanced features, and hybrid technology, it stands as a testament to Lexus's unwavering commitment to innovation and excellence. So, if you're in the market for a premium crossover that won't break the bank, the UX 300h deserves serious consideration.